Hello teacher, my ideal job is web engineer. I want to work for a third-party tech company like Google or a small web agency that follows their design and user experience. I prefer to work about 8 hours a day with a flexible schedule and occasional remote day. I would like to earn around $500 per month to cover living costs and save for the future. I enjoy this job because I combine creative and program solving next me building user-friendly webs and keep me learn new tools and change in their